Are you sharing? Let's Evan have part of it. Oh, and you saved her, huh? Yeah. You're so altruistic.
No. Let's go in the parking lot.
Well, go run in front of her and then run back this way. Whoop. It's like a sheepdog. Thank you for telling us, Evie. Okay, Evie, let's see how fast you can run. Run, faster, run. Ooh, good running. You're a fast runner, aren't
Yeah,
you?
then baby Devin's not enough for fast for me.
Well, she's not as big as you.
But I am.
Devin, run. We'll put that there.